Thanks for joining me today. I'm here with Starcraft's LX18R, a great small boat that is good for the family to take a cruise on. You can see here it's a really nice carbon with tan accents and 25-inch tubes so it can seat up to 8 people. So really nice capacity for a small boat to get your group together. Why don't you come on board and take a look at what this boat features. First you see some really comfortable seats up front, seats 4 up here, really easy, maybe even 5 if you have some small ones around too. As we get back to the captain's seat, we do have a new wet down stereo system, really nice sound on this boat and a couple speakers up front. We have tilt steering so that the captain's going to be comfortable when he drives, and a Humminbird Helix 5 for water depth and water temperature. So really nice features there. This boat is paired with a Suzuki motor, and you can take up to a 70 horsepower Suzuki on this. So really nice features there. As we come back a little bit to the back here, we do see the bimini top. We see a nice lean back, so if you have someone who really enjoys reclining, great option there. And we have a ladder on the back also. With any boat we sell at the Charles Mill Marina, we do offer a full safety package, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, a cover, and an on-water lesson to make sure you're safe and understand how the boat works before you get started. We also are going to handle all your titling and registration needs in-house. If you think this might be the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.